Divide 951 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 5 and it is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 1 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 951 divided by 5 is 190 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.